In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send message universal credit. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find all the information regarding universal credit and how to contact them in the UK government website. So go to www.gov.uk on a web browser through your computer or your phone, and when you arrive at this page, use the search function to look for universal credit. As you can see, you will be able to find the main universal credit article in the list of results, and in here you have all the information regarding universal credit. You can also apply and sign up as necessary, so follow the instructions here if you need to apply, but if you already have an universal credit account, all that you have to do is go over to this page right here, contact universal credit, and in here is all the contact information listed in order for you to send a message to universal credit. So you can contact them through your online account if you have one set up, or by calling them in any of the numbers listed here. You have a lot of options to choose from: telephone, text phone, Welsh language, and they have the operation hours listed here as well. As long as you follow through the instructions listed on this page and you fall under any of these circumstances here, you will be able to call them and send or ask any questions as necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to send a message to Universal Credit. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.